Yebo, 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 yimi njalo untando ngiyalamukela ku speakndebele.com, and that means hello, hello. Once again, it is me Ntando, and I'm welcoming you again to speakndebele.com. Right, we are continuing with the series that we started last week, Mina Lomzimba Wami. Say it with me, Mina Lomzimba Wami, which literally means me and my body. And last week we did part one, which was Ikanda, and that means the head. This week we're doing part two, Umzimba. Say it with me, Umzimba. Umzimba means the body, okay? And that is what we'll be dealing with in today's lesson. So let's get right into it. Now here we have features of the human body. And in Ndebele you would say isimo sangaphandle komzimba. That literally means the outside parts of the body. So we're going to name the outside parts of the body. Okay, let's get started with the sections. Okay, last week we dealt with the head, ikanda. Now the midsection from the neck down to the waist is umdumbu. All right, umdumbu. Okay, and then the lower parts of the body is imiqondo, from the waist to the ankle, and the foot or the feet would be inyawo. A foot is unyawo, of course. Okay, let's get started. Right, the shoulder is ihlombe, good. The chest would be isifuba, good. The breast is ibele, good. Did you get that? Ibele, great. The arm, the whole entire arm, the top part of the arm and the bottom part is ingalo, good. And the elbow, which you can't see very well in this picture, but behind that part of the arm is your elbow, and that is indololwane. Say it with me, indololwane, good. The stomach is isisu, and the belly button is inkaba. Say it with me, inkaba. Great. Now the waist would be ukhalo, and the hand is isandla, Now the ends of the hands, the fingers, are iminwe, Now one finger would be umuno, but your 5 fingers are iminwe, okay? Good job. Now the thigh is umlenze, The knee is idolo, and the leg is umbala, Good job. Now let's finish off with the ankle, which is inqagala. Say it with me, inqagala. All right, did you get that click? Inqagala. Good job. Now the heel of the foot is isitende. Say it with me, isitende. That's the heel. And finally, the toes on the foot are amazwane. Say it with me, amazwane. Good. Now there's a few things that I wasn't able to really point to and illustrate, but we did speak about this at the beginning. The body is umzimba, okay? The parts of the body are called izito. The limbs or the parts, izito. We spoke about the elbow in dololwane. Now the buttocks or the bum is isivunu, Good. And we spoke about the heel, isitende. Now there you have it. That is the parts of the human body, the outside parts, that is. Now join us in our next lesson, and we'll be talking about something else very interesting. You don't want to miss out on that. And go back over this lesson and say the parts and learn them. And now you have it, the parts of the human body. All right, it's time for me to say goodbye. So, salani guhle, yimi untando. Bye-bye.